Hello everyone. You are listening to this audiobook on channel Voice for Purpose by NSS IIT Bombay.
A step towards electric vehicles. We are here to know few things about electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are just normal vehicles which use electricity as their fuel instead of more dangerous petrol and diesel. We need to know about them because the time when we will only see electric vehicles is near or extreme pollution is near. To completely avoid the second case, we are here to explain you few things about them and their need with the help of few questions. First, why we need a transition to electric vehicles? Electric vehicles can reduce the emission that contribute to climate change and improving public health and reducing ecological damage. Charging your electric vehicle on renewable energy such as solar or wind minimizes these risks. Second, do electric vehicles really bring a good change? Even when the electricity used to fuel an electric vehicle comes from the coal dominated grid, electric vehicles still produce less global warming pollution than their conventional counterparts. The average electric vehicle in the United States today produces the emissions equivalent of a gasoline car that gets 73 miles per gallon. Many electric vehicle owners also choose to pair their electric vehicles with rooftop solar panels and home energy storage units. When powered by renewable energy, an electric vehicle can operate nearly emission free. Third, how is the government of India encouraging people to buy electric vehicles and what are the steps taken by them? India's central government launched the faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicles FAME scheme for 2 years at an approved outlay of INR 795 crores in 2015. The scheme extended till September 2018, focusing on technology development and demand creation, pilot projects, and charging infrastructures. Under Phase 2 of FAME, the government is planning to extend financial support of INR 8,730 crores for 3 years. With this policy, the central government is planning to prioritize the development of public transportation, shared mobility, and smaller electric vehicles such as two-wheelers. The government bank Energy Efficiency Services Ltd (EESL) has issued tenders for 20k electric vehicles to be developed across the country for government use. The government in recent move has approved green license plates for electric vehicles in order to encourage people to use them. The purpose behind this is their ease identification for purpose benefits such as concessional toll, professional treatment for parking, and free entry in congested zones. Fourth, how do electric vehicles beneficial commercially? From a consumer point of view, electric vehicles are still an elective option to a majority of automobile buyers. However, one thing that electric cars have going for them is low running cost. An average range of electric cars costs rupees 0.75, whereas a diesel petrol running vehicle costs around 6 rupees per liter, which is quite big. So even if electric vehicles cost little more during purchase, in the long run electric vehicles are very much economical, and also electric vehicles have very less maintenance cost. Fifth, multinational companies interest in this. For any company, main things to be kept in mind are vehicles should have a good range, should be durable, and should be reasonable cost, and charging them should be handy, which is still an issue, but the whole world is working on it. Long since Tesla is working a lot to produce electric vehicles, and in the last 5 years it saw a massive increase in its stocks and sales, and it is now pretty much successful in producing vehicles with good range and durability. Not only Tesla but also recently Abbott has announced its project to produce a good electric vehicle, and in regard our Indian company Tata is nowhere less. It has released an electric version of every recent car it released. Not only these, but many other companies and startups are working on it. Finally, conclusion. Now we are at a point where we can conclude some things. First things first, they cost less in the long run. So we should definitely prefer them. And keeping in mind of environmental advantage, we should feel responsible and move a step forward. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.
So hope you guys had fun. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting audiobooks.